Hey guys, it's Miss Martin. So if you missed it, I'm going to go over adding rational numbers lesson 1. So we have Coach Cook developed a new system for yardage on a football field. The middle of the field is 0 and the team score by crossing the 50 or the negative 50-yard line. So in PE, students were sorted into 2 teams, the positives and the negatives. The positives are always going to move right to score and the negatives are always going to move left to score. So on the field below, draw which direction each team is moving. So we just said that the positives, everybody's always going to start at 0. Think about it maybe more like soccer or basketball where you start at 0. The positives are going to go this way, and the negatives go to the left. And that's it for this first slide. I'm going to hit next. So we have the same situation, but this time it says the positives run 40 yards, and then the negatives get the ball and run 20. So our big hint here is that the positives did 40. So first we're going to start at 0 and show the positives running 40. And then the negatives got the ball from there. Think about when you're playing soccer, basketball, football, they intercept it, they take the ball from this spot, and they run 20 yards. The negatives always go left, so that's 10, 20. Where does the ball end up? This is the 20-yard line. So we put ball ends up at the 20-yard line. Hit next, we're on slide 4. So now we can add numbers like how we did on the football field, but just on a general number line. So we're always going to start at 0. Positive numbers are going to move to the right, and negative numbers move to the left. So use the number line below to show the sum of 5 plus -1. So it says we're going to start at 0. Our first number is positive, so we're going to move to the right 5. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It ends here. And then our next number is negative, so that's to the left, and we got to go move 1 space over. So -1 from that point looks like this. We end up at 4. So let's go to the next page, do another one. So now we're going to do -4 plus 2. So start at 0. Negative means to the left. So we're going to the left 4. Positive 2. From that point, go right to 1, 2. And we end up at -2. Here's another one. Use the number line below to show the sum of -3 plus -4. Start at 0. We need to move 3. The negative tells me it's to the left. So 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3. And then -4 is from that point left 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We end up at -7. Next, go to slide 6. Show the sum of -6 plus 6. Start at 0. -6 means left 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then plus +6 means right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is what do you notice? We ended up back at 0, or anything else you noticed you can put there. Hit submit. The next 2 things are directions. So we have an independent practice 5, adding integers in Canvas. And then this last slide is actually a glossary. So if you need to reference any of the vocabulary terms, so integers, a whole number that can be negative or positive, negative, less than 0, positive, greater than 0, sum, the answer when you add numbers. So that's it for adding rational numbers 1.